Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today's tutorial is about how you can organize your Trello cards into swim lanes. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll need to identify the Trello cards you want to organize. The reason we do this is to avoid confusion and streamline the process. You can do this by scrolling through your Trello board and selecting the cards you want to move. Next up, we'll need to create swim lanes. Swim lanes are horizontal rows that divide your Trello board into sections. To do this, simply click on the Add a List button on your Trello board and title it according to the category you want to create. This helps us because it allows us to create specific categories or stages for our tasks. Now that we've done that, it's time to move your Trello cards into the appropriate swim lanes. Simply click and drag each card to its appropriate swim lane. This step is essential because it helps to group related tasks together, making them easier to manage. Let me explain why this matters. Organizing your Trello cards into swim lanes can make your project management more efficient. It provides a clear visual of task progression, making it easier for you and your team to understand what's going on. Finally, regularly check and update your Trello swim lanes. This ensures that your tasks are always up to date and that your workflow remains efficient. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can create a streamlined, organized Trello board that can significantly boost your productivity. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to maximize your Trello experience. But until then, happy organizing.